What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Gimme Love by Joji. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and there's two different parts to this song. The first half doesn't have a capo, and it's just got 4 chords that repeat throughout the entire part, and then once it hits the second half of the song, there is a picking pattern where you're going to capo up to the 8th fret. I'm going to start by showing you the chords for the first half of the song, and then we'll jump into the picking part at the very end, and I'll show you that as well. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description, as well as the guitar tab that I made for this song. If you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. They're there for you. The chords for the first half of the song are going to be F major. You can play the bar chord here. I'm playing the F major 7 version. It's just easier for me, but if it's easier for you to play barred F, that's fine. It's 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, and I'm playing open on the high E, but if you're doing the bar chord, it'll be 1 on the high E. Then you're going to go to A minor, which is 0, 0, 2, 2, 1, 0. Middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, index finger 1st fret B string. Then you're going to go G minor, which is 3, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3. Bar the entire 3rd fret with your index finger, ring finger 5th fret A string, pinky finger 5th fret D string. Then you're going to go D minor, which is 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, 1. Middle finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, index finger 1st fret on your high E string. Once you get your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. For the first half of the song, it's going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, throughout all 4 chords. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now, starting around the middle of the song is when it changes up to the slow picking pattern. You're going to capo up to the 8th fret because this is technically a ukulele part that happens, but I'm going to show you, I've transcribed it about as accurately as it can get to the guitar. Might be a little bit different, but it's about as close as you're going to get. You're going to capo up to the 8th fret. You're going to start with an A chord, and you're only going to need your open A, and then then hold the 2nd fret down with your index finger, or it might be easier to try if you have smaller fingers to try and do middle finger, index finger, ring finger on D, G, and B, because your next chord is going to be an A minor 7. So if that's easier for you to switch from, instead of barring all of them with your index finger and then go in there, you might just try and use all 3 of them, but you're going to be picking open A and then G and B together, and then D, G and B twice, and you pick that entire thing 4 times. So then you go to an A major 7, it's the exact same picking pattern here, A, D twice, 4 times. Then you're you're gonna go almost back to the A, but you're gonna have the D string open and you're just holding down the 2nd fret on the G and the B. You're doing the exact same picking pattern here. A, G and B, then D, G and B twice. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna put your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B, because you're technically going to a D minor here. And you're gonna pick D, G and B 3 times. Add your pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B for 3 and pick the exact same thing 3 times. Then you're gonna add that index finger onto the 1st fret of the high E, and you're gonna pick D, high E, and B, alternating 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then add your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string and pick that exact same thing. And that entire thing just starts over and it repeats throughout that entire part until the end of the song. So slowly, you're here. Then A major 7. Then here. Then to your D minor. And then that repeats. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.